Please read out the questions.
My teenage son does not believe in God and believes money makes the world go round. Capitalism, that believing in selfishness prospers. He's a school dropout. Please guide me on showing him the right path and bless him to follow a conscious, blissful life. Some of his classmates are threatening parents with suicide and bunking classes to go to the hookah bars and boozing bars. It's a very frightening situation where our youth are heading as they believe only what they see and proud of their logic and overconfident of the knowledge from TV and internet and false achieving from winning computer games.
Let me read the question. My teenage son does not believe in God and believes money makes the world go round. Capitalism, that believing in selfishness prospers. Quoting US as an example, school dropouts do well. Please guide me on showing him the right path and bless him to follow a conscious, blissful life. Please understand. Rita, it is not just your son. Like your son, millions of kids are suffering only in India, billions in the world. It's a crime of society. Irresponsible way of the society leads its next generation. I just can't even understand the gravity of the situation. Let me read the further question. The question says some of his classmates are threatening parents with suicide and bunking classes to go to hookah bars and boozing. It's very frightening situation where our youth are heading as they believe only what they see and proud of their logic, overconfident of the knowledge from TV and internet, false achievement from winning computer games. Understand, in computer games, whether you win or lose, you lose. If you win, your false confidence destroys your life. If you lose, your depression destroys your life. Something basic has to change in the planet Earth. A huge conscious tsunami has to happen. That is the only way humanity, the youngsters, the youth can be saved. Something like a 10,000 youth should become agoris and teach this great truth of spiritual transformation and enlightenment to the world. That is the only way we can even take the right understanding to the humanity. I invite all of you who are sitting with us around the world in this webinar. Let all of you decide you will become agoris. Let us take the spiritual knowledge to the world. That is the only way to transform, I am telling you. To tell you honestly, for Rita, I don't have solution. I can give solution, but I don't know how much it will be practical. I will give you a straight solution. 1 year, let your son live without internet and TV. Nothing wrong will happen. He will not lose anything. He doesn't need to catch up with what is going on in the world. He doesn't need to know the news. Relax. I tell you, 1 year, nothing else, let him be just without TV and internet in his life. You will see how steady and centered. See, I am from a society where I heard, when I was at the age of 3, 4 and all, I heard the stories of great saints. See, I heard the story of Thiriñana Sambandar, a great saint from Tamil Nadu. The story says at the age of 3, he had the Umadevi, cosmic mother's milk, and achieved enlightenment. From the age of 3, he has started singing all the sacred sentiments. All the sacred sentiments he started expressing from the age of 3. When I heard all these great stories of Thiriñana Sambandar in my life, I was inspired. Oh, I should become like Thiriñana Sambandar. I should live the life of Thiriñana Sambandar. How he was living, how great he is. And Thiriñana Sambandar became my vision, my goal, my ideal, my hero. But in the modern day, when this youth see all these zero heroes, the cinema heroes, the so-called celebrity heroes, the TV knowledge, the false internet achievement, and the concepts of Spider-Man, no, when you get all these concepts of Spider-Man as your heroes, you lose very basis of life. See, now when I tell your son not to watch, not to spend time on internet and TV for 1 year, it looks like a tapas. But I tell you, only after I started the organization, I have started even using the internet. Means from the young age, my whole personality was stabilized, established in the self-centered awareness. So the internet has become such a big addiction. Let me define addiction means living outside your self-remembrance. That's all. Constantly living in something without remembering your higher self or being reminded about the higher self. When we tell the youngsters, Thiriñana Sambandar started singing about Shiva and the sacred sentiments at the age of 3, they say, these are all stories, they may say. But when you tell the stories of the Spider-Man and Tom and Jerry, they feel as if it is true. I see really, when I went to the Universal Studio, I saw there the people dress up like those characters, Tom and Jerry and Spider-Man, Dracula, all these characters. Kids really believe they are those characters. Go and stand near those characters and take photograph. We moved too much away from the reality. We moved too much away from the truth. The modern day youngsters, modern day youth is really moving too much out of the reality. If you want to save your son, bring him to the 1 year course. Of course, we will give him yogic body, Vedic mind, we will make him do yoga, we will make him meditate, we will do everything. Those things are secondary. We will get him out of addiction. That's the first thing. One young boy, I can't say young, maybe I can say neither a child nor youth, adolescent. One guy is insistent that he want to go to US. He is even going to decide whether I am his beloved Swami or unbeloved Swami based on my decision to send him to US or not. But I am very clear, I am not going to send him. I will not recommend. Because if this guy goes there, his cousin brothers are there, where he will learn all these video games and start looking at that lifestyle. See, even looking at the Western lifestyle is a sin. Forget about living. Even looking can put unconscious seeds into you. But what to do? Now these modern day kids, you can neither control nor give them the truth. It is just suffering, suffering, suffering. Let me be very honest. If the new gen has to be evolved, it is not going to happen with a small tinkering, altering, repairing work. No. Something from the very root has to change. That is why I am going to the extreme of recommending the lifestyle of Aghoris. Means all the youngsters take up at least 1 year of wandering, living the Parivrajaka life, life of pilgrimage. Don't settle down anywhere. Just travel, go to different places, different cultures, see different traditions, live with different people. Naturally, when you don't settle down, you will not have TV and internet. One year will really enrich you. If you are not able to do that, at least come here. Spend 1 year away from TV and internet. Second, building the yogic body and Vedic mind. Above all, serving others, contributing to others, making difference in others' life. I tell you, Aghori, the only antidote for internet addictions. Very boldly, I invite the youth of modern day, and I sincerely recommend living at least 1 year of Parivrajaka life. Parivrajaka life means pilgrimage life, wandering. If you are from India, wander all over India to experience different cultures, different way of life, thinking style, philosophies. You will be enriched. If you are from outside India, travel to different countries. At least 1 year of life of pilgrimage. If you can't take up that, at least come here. I have created a place where the same amount of enrichment will be done to you, because you may be stable here sitting in one place. Thousands from different society and civilization come here. They will enrich you and go out. Two options. Either you go to all those places, see, listen, talk, discuss, internalize and enrich yourself, or just be here. They are all constantly coming here. Everything is happening here. This is the most happening spiritual city on planet Earth. Nityananda Nagara, Nityananda Dhyanapida is the most happening spiritual city on the planet Earth. Here you can see all types of people. Tides, looses, everything you can see. All types of people come here. All types of philosophies are brought here. All types of arguments happen here. All types of discussions happen here. All types of spiritual experiments are continuously happening here. So all of them will come, actually all of them do Parivirajaka to this place. So they will all enrich you. Either you go to different places, see different culture, lifestyle, philosophies and enrich yourself. Or you come and be here. Different people, different culture, different philosophies, they all come here and enrich you. I tell you, I have some of the best people and I have many mediocre between both. I have some of the best seekers. Both will enrich you. Some will teach you what to do and some will teach you what not to do. I have all types of people. I have all types of brains. I have all types of seekers. Sometimes I tell some people to be in silence for enlightenment. Sometimes I tell some people to be in silence because if they open the mouth, they will prove they are fools. If they don't open the mouth, people may suspect he is a fool. If he opens, he will confirm he is a fool. So, I put people into silence for various reasons. I have all types of people coming here. Some coming for enlightenment, some coming for lightenment, some coming for tightenment. They will all enrich you. They will all really enrich you. Understand? Either go for Parivirajaka to enrich yourself or come here. Dhyanapidam itself is a world. All types of minds. And not only that, I constantly create so many ways. All types of roller coaster mood swings will happen in you. You will be up in the morning, down in the evening. All types of roller coaster experiences, emotional roller coaster experience happens in you. New gen, come to your breeding ground. Dhyanapidam is your breeding ground. This is the place of new gen breeding ground. Nursery of new gen. Nursery of new consciousness. I welcome you all to experiment with the new consciousness. At least for 1 year. Don't decide within 1 month. Don't decide within 2 months. It is too short time. Allow it to sink. At least give 1 year. Give at least 1 year. Try it out. I tell you, it will never be a waste. This 1 year will be the best time of your life.